The South Korean stock market's seen one blockbuster IPO after another lately. Next Tuesday, one of the country's biggest game makers will be going public. That's Krafton, the company behind the smash hit PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds. Demand for shares is expected to be high, but some say the projected valuation means the company is way overpriced. Eum Ji-young reports.
Retail investors can now bid for shares of one of South Korea's biggest game makers, Krafton. The public subscription for the game developer behind global blockbuster PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds opened for 2 days at 10 a.m. on Monday.
Krafton has created a new genre called open-world battle royale. Since 2017, this sensation has led to the sale of 75 million copies of the console and PC versions of PUBG, and it ranks 5th for the top-selling games of all time.
Ahead of its debut on the benchmark Kospi next Tuesday, Krafton has priced some 5.6 million new shares at 498,000 won, or around $432 each. That is at the high end of its proposed price range for its initial public offering. During the subscription, 25% of the new shares that the company is issuing will be distributed equally between those who have made at least the minimum deposit at 3 brokerage houses. To reserve a single share, investors have to deposit at least half the price of 10 shares. Some critics say the shares are overpriced because they put Krafton's valuation at around $21 billion, which is more than NCSoft, the biggest game developer listed in South Korea.
I didn't participate in the subscription for Krafton because of the relatively low competition rate among institutional investors. I also thought the IPO price is much higher than its true worth.
The public subscription for Krafton is the last time that retail investors in South Korea can submit multiple applications through different brokerage houses in a bid to get more shares in a big IPO. An expert says although this is the last time for multiple applications, the competition is not as fierce as previous subscriptions.
The competition on the first day is falling short of those previous subscriptions, including KakaoBank or SKIT. The biggest reason for the overvaluation is that 90% of its sales are coming from only one game, PUBG.
Another expert says that as the price is already set aggressively, it's unlikely to see as dramatic price rises as previous IPOs. Eum Ji-young, Arirang News.